Hello, it's Dan at BrauBeviale 2024.
My name is Kumaran Thillainadarajah. I'm the CTO and founder of SmartSkin.
You were announced as the World Beverage Innovation Award winner in the Manufacturing and Processing Innovation category. That's quite an accolade, especially looking around at the other stands around you. It's a competitive field.
Yeah, there's so many great finalists, so it was an honor to be nominated or to be a finalist, and a huge honor to actually win. So.
Yeah, absolutely. So can you talk me through the system that you've created and sort of the innovation behind it?
Yeah, so for people who are not aware, so SmartSkin makes a sensor that helps customers centerline their processes. That's basically bring their manufacturing process in control. So initially we built a reputation helping customers diagnose issues on their lines, and now a lot of our product innovation focuses on helping customers avoid those problems in the first place. For us, the biggest challenge is that this is relatively a new concept to the market, and so just making sure clients and customers are aware that this type of technology exists and that it's very easy to implement and make use of.
Yeah, absolutely. Do you have any current clients or case studies that you might be able to?
So SmartSkin is used by about 200 plants in the world. Our largest customer has us in about 60 of their plants worldwide.
So whereabouts are you distributed at the moment?
So the company is based in Canada, and as a result, most of our customers are in the US and Canada, just because geographically those are the easiest markets to access. But we do have customers in South America, East Asia, and now Australia or Southeast Asia as well. We're always looking to expand. So like I said, we're in 200 plants. There's probably about 2,000 plants that could be using our product. So there's still a long way for us to go.
Absolutely. Are there any other systems and technologies that you also provide?
Yeah, so SmartSkin is all about helping customers understand what's happening in their manufacturing processes. So we're always listening to customer feedback and sort of co-innovating with them. So based on what their needs are, we will design solutions to help them if it makes sense. So we're also in the pharmaceutical industry as well. There, we've only been in that market for about 5 years, and we're already in about 15 of the 20 largest pharmaceutical companies. So that's a really rapid adoption for that market.
Yeah, absolutely. And I assume the same technology could be implemented in other areas, in other sectors.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've been in packaging for about 10 years, and it still feels like we're still scratching the surface. That's the big challenge for us, is getting the word out, and that's why this award is really helpful. It means a lot to us because it'll help spread awareness, help customers realize or understand that there are solutions that can help them not just detect these problems of where they're happening on their line, but also avoid them from happening in the first place.
Yes, I guess that avoiding on demand is actually the main aspect of this.
Yeah. And so we're doing a lot of work helping with our existing customers transition towards a preventative maintenance, towards centerlining their processes, and then helping reach out to new customers as well.
Amazing. So if there are any other potential customers watching this, looking at this and thinking, I need that solution right now, how could they go about finding out more?
The best way would be to go to our website, and there's lots of avenues to contact us there.